Alright, number 6. What is the equation in standard form of a line that passes through the point 6,9 and has a slope of negative 0.5? Okay, so our slope is equal to negative 0.5. Okay, so what I'm going to do, okay, is use my formula. Y minus y1 equals mx minus x1. So y minus 9 is equal to negative 0.5. X minus x1 is 6. Okay, so y minus 9 is equal to negative 0.5 x. Okay, you multiply that out, it is equal to plus 3. You add 9 to both sides. Okay, that cancels. Y is equal to negative 0.5 x plus 12. Okay, so I add 0.5 to both sides, x, 0.5 x. So now I have 0.5 x plus y is equal to 12. Now, remember there's no fractions or decimal, okay? So how do I change this to a 1? Remember that 0.5 is equal to 1/2, okay? If you didn't know that, you can use your calculator. 0.5, and then you go to menu, numbers, and you can change it to a fraction. Enter. See, 0.5 is the same thing as 1/2. So remember, we have to multiply it by the bottom number. Okay, so we multiply everything by 2. When you multiply everything by 2, you get 1x plus 2y equals 24. Okay, so x plus 2y equals 24. Again, you can check it in the calculator if you want, okay? Menu, okay, okay, menu, graph entry, equation, line standard. 1x plus 2y equals 24. Okay? You don't see anything, but there's something right there, okay? But we don't care, okay? We can just go to menu, trace, graph trace, and remember what number we need? We need 6, 9, okay? Let's go back to our calculator. So I put 6, enter, and it's 9. I check the slope. Analyze graph, dy dx. C is negative 0.5, so we are good. Okay, next problem, number 7. Okay, Troy borrowed money, okay? Again, all it is points in the on the graph, okay? So I could just go to my menu, okay, and let's start a new file, new documents. Do you want to save? No. Okay, I'm going to add a graph. Okay, you see, this is like y, this is like x, okay? So all I have to do is put this into the calculator, okay? I'm going to put this first one. Y is equal to 3910 x 3910 minus 225p, right? Let me see that again. 3910 minus 225p. Okay, so I'm going to put 3910 minus 225. Instead of using p, I'm going to just use x, okay? and I'm going to enter. You don't see anything, but again, that's okay. Menu, trace, graph trace. My first number is 1. Enter. Okay. Okay. You don't know what that number is, okay? But we can always look at the table, okay? So I'm going to put Control T to get to the table. See, 1 is 3685, 3460. 3685, 3460. 3 is 3235. 3235, 3010. 3010. See, it's the same, so that's going to be my answer. Okay, the X and Y intercept, okay? This is the Y-intercept. This is the X-intercept. X-intercept, 1, 2. So it'll be 2, 0 is my X-intercept. See, this is 0, 2, so it's wrong. 0, 2, so it's wrong. Okay, my Y-intercept is 0, 1, 2, 3. 0, 3. Okay. Next problem. Which equation does not describe the line passing through? Okay. So remember, I'm going to y2, I have to use slope y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay, so I do 4 minus 0. Okay, 4 minus 0, then 0 minus 3. If I do that, I get negative 4 over 3. Okay, so I'm going to choose one of them, okay? So y minus 4 equals negative 4 over 3 x minus 0. Okay, so see, this is point slope form. Okay, so this is good. Okay, but we want the one that is not. Okay, so I keep on going. Y minus 4 is equal to negative 4 over 3x. Okay, so I add 4 to both sides. This cancel. Y is equal to negative 4 over 3x plus 4. See, this is slope-intercept form. So I add 4 over 3, add 4 over 3x. Okay, so I have 4 over 3x plus y equal to 4. Okay, because remember, this cancels out. Okay, I don't see this anywhere. So remember, to get standard form, I multiply it by 3. So this becomes, becomes 4x plus 3y equals 12.
Heavy, knock on my laptop, and I think it's gonna rain. I'm gonna just show you how to make it. I'll be back.
Okay. Alright, next problem. Alright, so our answer is H here, okay? Because it's the one that's not. Okay, find the x and y intercept of 4x minus 7y equals 28. Okay, easy peasy. Okay, all we have to do is graph it first. Add graph. It is a standard form. Okay, graph entry, equation, line standard. Okay, let's look at it again. 4 minus 7, 28. Okay, 4x minus 7, 28. Enter. Okay, this is my first. I push menu, trace, graph trace. I push 0 first. 0 is negative 4. Then I push 7. Okay, 7, 0. If you don't know, just move it. Okay. Okay, you can move it left and right like this, okay? And it'll say the word y-intercept for you, okay? So, let's go back to our problem. We had 0, -4, right? And 7, 0. So this is going to be my answer. Number 11. Okay. A small business purchased a van to handle its delivery order. The graph below shows the value of the van over a period of time. Which of the following best describes the y-intercept? This is the y-intercept. This is where it starts, okay? So John is paid a base weekly earning of $120. This is 120, so that's good. Okay, even if he doesn't sell anything. Okay, you see that the sale is 0. Okay, so this doesn't sell anything, so that's actually good. Okay, you see this is only $20. This right there is 120. All right, so this is wrong. John's weekly sale is 120. No, it keeps on going. Okay. The meaning is always for the y-intercept is where it starts, okay, or something is 0. You need to look at that, okay? What is the equation of the line that passes through -2, 7 and has a slope of undefined? Remember, undefined means the graph looks like this, okay? The only kind of graph that looks like this are x equals, okay? This one is graphs that look like this is y equals. This one slope is equal to 0. This one slope is undefined. Okay, so x equals what number? Which one is the x? X is -2 here, so the x is -2. Continuing, we got a couple more. We only about have 3 minutes to finish. Okay. So this one right here, which of the following describes the y-intercept? Okay, remember, y is where it starts, okay? So this is the only thing that tells you about, that's 1500, okay? Because that's not it, that's not it, that's not it, okay? This is when it was first lowered, okay, at 0. This is at the start, okay? Number 14. Okay, the starting pressure inside, see, starting pressure is 200. Okay, that, remember, y equals mx plus b. Okay, the start is your y-intercept. Okay, that's your y-intercept, so that's 200. Okay, if the pressure increases, remember the word each talks about slope. Okay, so that's 7.5x. Okay, or 7.5t here because I used t. Okay, see, this is 200t, so this is not it. This is 200t, that's not it. We have, okay, see, 200 by itself, and then 7.5t, okay? They use p instead of y, okay? So, we're good with G, okay? Last problem. An MT has 2.5, so that's what we start off with, okay? The pecan is 0.015 each. Each goes with the letter, okay? So is each pecan, so it's at 2.5 plus, because we are looking for the total. Total, that's why we add 0.015p. Okay, so this one is the closest one. All right, and we are done.